Surprised there are no kids there. Well,
I know. Bunch of old people in there. They all come here and meet. Coffee in the morning.
You mean drink? You mean drink, not eat coffee?
What did I say? Eat coffee in the morning?
Yeah. At first, I liked our Florida coach, but then he's starting to yell at like the best player on the team. He put him at third string. Kevin Tate.
Over there?
Goodness, I forgot his name.
From Florida?
Yeah.
You like Florida?
Yeah. I'm never changing my basketball team, no matter how bad the Lakers are, and if they don't win a championship, I'm never changing that.
We gotta stop by the store real fast while we're here. I gotta get some stuff for chili real fast.
Free Wi-Fi? Should have brought my blue phone in.
Where, here?
It's it right there.
Yeah, people bring, that's why I like it too.
I think Troy might want to go home after he eats, so for some reason, he don't, never mind.
Like grandma.
He just wanted to see him. I don't want to I'll go let it come in and see.
Your coffee's about to spill.
Huh? Alright, that's fine.
You're supposed to dump in water in your coffee.
Cold water, cool it down a little bit. That's how coffee's made anyway. Water.
Oh, yeah.
Donald Trump's going to be at the Beaverdale Parade today.
Who?
Donald
Trump? He's here like every other day.
I think he's funny. That's crazy.
Did you know he's in the WWE Hall of Fame?
Trump is? Why?
Because he fought Mr. McMahon.
Donald Trump did? That's stupid. I can't see him doing anything like that.
Oh, he did. He fought WrestleMania 22. I'm recording myself eating.
Nice.
I know, right? 10 million hits right here. This is a good hash brown.
Is it?
Oh, there's one in the plaything. Mom says I can't go in them things anymore.
Yeah, you're probably a little big for that.
No, I'm not. I'm fine. I can still fit, even though I'm trying to do that. How good is Kentucky in football?
Not bad.
Because that's who we play.
Who?
Florida.
Oh, dude.
Oh, good McDonald's. Goodness, my hair is messed up. Oh. You almost ready?
Hmm?
Free refills only for dine-in customers only.
Right.
It says over there, free refills for dine-in customers only.
Or dine in. Free refills.
Oh.
You eat in, you can get as many refills as you want.